Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a matte finish with a gloss French tip. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky Pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of Rendezvous, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using golden hour in your thin nail art brush, paint a line across your nail where you want your French tip to be. Paint over your line if needed before curing. Cure for 10 seconds. Using top coat and your gel polish brush, paint a French tip, making sure to paint a coat over golden hour. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.